What's going on, guys? Joe G here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. We're back with another demo vid. Today we're going to be shooting off the Excalibur Platinum from World Class. Guys, I've been sitting on this box ever since they came out, and I have not shot them yet. So I'm finally going to take them out, and I am going to give them a try. Based on some of the videos I've seen from you guys, they're not bad, pretty good. And Excalibur has always been my go-to show. I know there's a lot better shows out there before you guys say anything. But as far as reliability and just sending up, you know, a bunch of shells on fast fuse, you know, to finish off a show for finale, you know, they serve the purpose. They work out just fine. So we're going to take a look at this Excalibur Platinum and see if we notice a difference. Excalibur Platinum.